Let's see, all member will be connected. Now, before the we exiting this lecture, someone asking to the me how to the use support and resistance and how it can be used after support break more powerful breakdown and after the resistance crossover more powerful upside. The market is not in the one hand of person. Suppose now the market at the 10,600. If the Nifty will cross about the 10,600, there are not any one person. There are more than 50% or near about 50% consume the 10,650 or 620 near about as per their calculation is the resistance level, and in the market trade will be completed when someone bearish and bullish, then the trade will be completed. There are not only single side may be possible in the future and not in the past. When someone buy and someone sell, then trade will be completed. Now there are the low value. You can always check where are then the psychological level like the 10,000, 10,500, 10,600. That will be break maybe from upper side to downside, on downside to upside, then powerful selling or buying will be increased because that will be more psychological level assumed by the more traders in the market. Suppose if Nifty break the 10,000 from the top, then the powerful selling may be possible because 10,000 is a very important at a psychological level. Whenever you will see first time when the 10,000 will be crossed in the last 20 days, then upside will be continued to the 2% because there are many short seller short the Nifty on confidence 10,000 may not be crossed, but as soon as the 10,000 is crossed, their resistance of psychological level and in the practical will be break, and they short covering started, and the powerful short covering is also started and new buying is also started that are waited to the crossover about 10,000 maybe fresh buying. So there is the after the importance level breaking, there are more volume will be increased. Now the second question is how I can decide the chart for the short term or long term and medium term. As per the one of the research in the you can use the market, there are the Generally, decision depend on the trader's mood and the actually movement. There are more difference in the trader's mood and actually fundamental. Now you can see there are many short term or short small caps that will be very run up due to the new traders as economical news and other. There are not connection to the not connection toward the actual fundamentals. Like the best example of last month is the Patanjali's. There are powerful 4000% return due to the only emotional connection of traders. So one of the psychological study is saying if anyone human do the same activity for 21 days or more, then heat will be continued in this same activity. So generally I am using the more than the 20 candles should be added in the my technical view. Suppose for the day trading, there are the 6 hours 9:30 to 10 3:30. In the 6 hours means 360 minutes. 6 into 3 6 into 60 360 minutes in the day trading. 360 divided by the 20, then answer is the 18. So for the day trading, if you want to for the complete day trade and best result, then use minimum 15-minute charts for the day trade. That I also using. If you want to 2 3 hour trade, you get some news and you want and something best, then you can use the 5-minute chart. Like the after Europe opening, there are some movement is better, volume is increasing, then you can use 5-minute chart. If you want to trade for the positional trade, like for the 1 month, then you can use hourly chart or the daily chart. If the both charts are giving same signal, hourly and daily, then trend on same side will be continued. That I will show in the chart now. Now for the today's Guru Purnima, I will show you the my formula for the Nifty. Yet that you can be also understand in the next some hours why I will use it, and you can also understand it. So I will suggest you only follow it. Do not do not ask about it in the today's section. As soon as you also learning about it, you can also learn about it. Now I will show the my concept. Firstly, draw the exponential moving averages. That is period of 50, and the color is the wine red or brown. Second, with the color of red, draw the 25 days exponential moving averages. Third, with the 15 and the color is the yellow and simple moving average with for the 5 and color is the blue. And secondly, add the indicator RSI. Now, first use the blue line to identify the trend. Means if market is continued above the blue line or below the blue line, then upside or downside may be possible. Do not initiate trade. This is the first sign. Then second, whenever the blue line cross over the yellow line, then you maybe initiate trade. This is then second signal. Then the third sign, when the both line cross over the yellow and blue are cross over the red line, then you can initiate trade confidently by seeing the RSI. There is line crossover above, but RSI is high, so there are trade is avoided. Maybe you get the loss if the powerful selling is possible. There is the line is crossover and RSI is also not much more. Then upside will be get great and you get the best return. That general formula and simple formula that anyone can use and get the best returns. Now I will again explain you from the first. Firstly, first draw the chart on the best software, that is 15 minute. For not only intraday, continuous will be applicable. Like you can see on the investing, it is continued 15 days, not as the one day. Generally, many brokers are provided only for one day intraday chart. Only on one day intraday chart, you can't get the best signals. Then draw the exponential moving average of 50 with the color of brown. With the for the 25 with the color of red. For the 15 with the color of yellow, and the simple moving average for the 5 with the color of blue. Now the first sign is the blue. It is only identify the trend. For the do not initiate trade, only identification. Whenever the blue line crossovers the yellow, there is blue crossovers the yellow from up toward the upside. There is a first sign. Then yellow will be crossover the red. Then it is the second sign to initiate a trade. with the brown line support, that is a 50 exponential moving average support, and continue towards the blue line. Whenever close below blue line, then exit the position and book the profit. Now you can see from here to here upside profit will be get. Same situation in the downtrend. There is an first signal of the downtrend. Whenever blue crossover yellow and yellow crossover red, and whenever it's above the closing of the blue, there is then exit point. So from here 10,450 and 10,270, you will get the 170 point in the Nifty. Same situation is the here for the upside. There are same situation of line crossover, and whenever closing below the yellow line, sorry, below the blue line, then exit point. From this point also you get the 10,330 and 10,530, 200 points in the Nifty. So if you want to trade for the intraday with the front of the screen, you can initiate using this very simple formula. And always remember, when RSI is above 70, then do not buy the fresh buy trade. And when the above 30, below 30, then the do not initiate the fresh selling trade. You can see here is the above 80, then the downtrend was continued. Below 30, short covering started. You can, if you use this simple formula, you can get in the month near about 500 points of the Nifty. If there are only straight line or both signals are not giving the same signal, buy or sell at the same time, then avoid trade. Now there, the RSI is the above, but the moving average support the positive trend. Then there is in this zone no trade zone. On the Monday, we will see from RSI maybe down for some time and then again uptrend or powerful downtrend. That may be happen on the Monday. So if there are not signal give confirmation on same side, buy or sell with the combination, then the avoid trade. Now everyone will seeing the Dinesh sir's queries. I can't understand what they want. Means the retail trader stop loss will be hunted and generally So maybe retail trader generally stop loss will not be followed correctly. Or if anyone understand their query, please enter in the chat, because you can see as per the this. Whenever this red line is crossover, stop loss trigger, exit. There are generally retail traders with the emotions may be possible. As you can see on the our group trading section, last trade is the my stop loss is trigger 10,580. I immediately exit. But generally traders will without seeing the chart, may be possible. Please see, wait and watch, may be possible as giving this behavior and stop loss will be trigger, and then powerful upside or downside will be possible. Same concept for the Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks. Only there are some news, then maybe we can't say this will be continued, because this is the limitations of technical analysis. We can't cover the news in the technical analysis. So if you know all news about the stocks, you can trade it. Generally, Nifty and Bank Nifty is diversified. So there are more successful result, because any one single stock cannot be more upside or downside to the Bank Nifty. Yes, if there are connection in the stop loss and support and resistance. If you want to short, then the resistance is your stop loss. If you want to long, then support is your stop loss. If the break the support, then downtrend will be possible. If you are position buy, you immediately square off as soon as the stop loss is triggered. As soon as you will get next more indicators like Bollinger Band, ATR, you can find the perfect stop loss and more accuracy. Hope everyone understood this technical analysis format for the intraday and positional. But always remember, use stop loss, and that you can be used for the stop loss should be the lowest amount that you can maybe loss, then not more affected. This format will be used for the commodities but depend on the situation and the news, because generally demand and supply and actual volumes commodities are trade. If there are demand in maybe in the oil, then RSI indicator is overbought, but that did not work. But there are moving average showing the positive signals, then you should avoid trade. This can be used for the commodities, but opportunities are not much more as compared to the equities. Now you maybe try on the paper trade using this formula, and you can calculate how much nifty point you will be get. Just let I will opening this. Yes, there are the this situation is as the as the Dinesh sir is asking, the stop loss is above resistance and the below. That is means generally when is the closing situations. Suppose there are some news and market may be opening today tomorrow's for the below the 10,500. This is the 50 exponential moving average is the 10,550. But the candle may not be completed below it. Many times this situation happen due to the news. So we are taking the psychological level 10,500, but we will see the actual practical on the chart on that time. So we will considering the 10-point lowest level for the safety to the given to the system. That generally maybe happen in the bracket order for the some there are system immediately square up. So this system will be used for the bracket orders. Sometimes you also, if you are intraday traders, then you also got same situation. Stock may be immediately below 10,500 and again recover to the 10,580. So in this situation, you, for this type of criteria, we will using that issue to stop loss taking a 10,485 or 490 at is below the psychological and important level like a 10,500. Hope I you will get understand the Dinesh sir, because technical analysis is the prediction. Anyone cannot confirmly and 100% says it is not below the 10,500 or 10,000 perfect level. Closing may not be possible because there are many short covering and buying interest are seeing by the traders. Yes, for the buying below the psychological level and for the selling upside the 10 or 15 points above the psychological level. The risk reward is the at will be covered at the final when you will get the how to find perfect stop loss and perfect after the covering Bollinger Band, ATR and other indicators. So now you can use paper trade using this formula and if the best situation happen, you can trade. So hope everyone query will be solved as per the today's section. Happy Guru Purnima to all. Have a great Sunday. Thanks for joining.